meters, it's moving. Could be a school of fish. No, it's too defined. Prep the gear. Copy. Radio check, over. Read you 498 meters, holding position.
Lower slowly. Stop there.
It is. Bugatti. Don't scratch it. Enough. Stop here.
Clearance.
Hold tension. Stop. Good. Gate. Straight ahead. Keep it slow. In the gate. Straight ahead. Keep it slow. A bit left. Stop here. Lights on. Watch wiring. More pressure here. Let it drain. Let it soak. Don't rush. Exposed. Same damage both sides. Structure intact. Disconnect here. Careful, brittle. Channel clear. Hold the weight. Last bolt. Same on the other side. One steady. Hoses are clear. Pulling them aside. Good. Watch for drips. Left. Rotate it. Hold pressure. Keep steady. Even pass. Good penetration. Next seam. Good penetration. Next seam. Center it. Same radius. Good fit. Don't cut the edge. Feel smooth. Ready for primer.
Seal this hole. Same on the other side.
Ready for paint. Seal complete. Ready for base. Cover the seam. Rotate.
Good coverage.
Move 0.5 millimeter. Check right side. Matches. Distance steady.
Good coverage. Overlap good. Good metallic.
Rotate slowly.
Center it.
Lower slowly.
Good seal. Flush fit. Torque spec. Centered. Holes.
Hold steady.
Torque set. Same on the other side. Now the rear. Left a bit.
Aligned. Mount seated. Connection okay. Modules responding.
No critical faults.